bout, Kisagan Lester Aka versus Cruz Caleb Au.
Please prepare Arteaga Chavez and Akuno John Michael. You're after this.
Kisagan Please prepare James Valentino Aka and Tabanas Nash Au.
Winner, Au Cabante DeAndre. Next bout, Arteaga Chavez and Akuno John Michael. For the 14 to 15 years old novice kata boys. Dinoy Precious from Dojo 1. Stand by. Please raise your hand, Arteaga. Alvarado Ganica. Please step up the mats now. Alvarado Ganica. Tumakay Maria Francesca. Stand by.
Kulipano King Kyrie, please raise your hand. Impuerto John, please raise your hand. Impuerto John. Again, Impuerto John Nino, please raise your hand. Please proceed to Tatame 1. Musgrove Team Delgit, please raise, okay. Next bout, James Valentino Aka versus Tabanas Nash Au. James Valentino and Tabanas Nash. Impuerto John Nino, please proceed to Tatame 1. Musgrove Team Delgit,
Please prepare Rosalina Gabriel and Santiago Prince. Winner, Aka Arteaga Chavez from AUK. Next bout, Rosalina Gabriel and Santiago Prince.
Six.
Next bout, Rosalina Gabriel, raise your hand.
1 minute rest for James
Rosalina.
Valentino.
Rosalina, raise your hand, please.
For the championship round, Cruz Caleb Aka versus James Valentino Au.
Please prepare Arteaga Chavez and Aramani Kitniaser. You're after this match.
For the championship round, Cruz Caleb Aka versus James Valentino Au.
Winner, Aka, Rosalina Gabriel from AUK Philippines. Next bout, Arteaga Chavez and Aramani Kitniaser. Please